Games are won and lost in the fourth quarter, and so are your goals. Are you a sports fan? The thing that I love about watching sports is what can happen at the end of the game. I've watched lots of different football games where it's come to the last play and the game is close and that game is won and it's lost in the fourth quarter. Oftentimes on that last play with 0 time left in the clock. So what does this matter to you and what does it matter to me? First of all, in the game of life, it's all about the journey. We want to play the game. And as we're entering into the fourth quarter of this year, it's not the time to take the foot off the gas. Sometimes what can happen is we get towards the end of the month, the end of the year, and if we're not where we want to be in our goals, there's this tendency to start to slow down, to take it easy. I'm not going to make it anyways, and we relax. Now's the time to make sure that you're keeping the foot on the gas. So what were your goals for 2019? It's time to take another look at your goals and reevaluate them, recommit to them. Really ask yourself, what am I willing to do what it takes to really cross that finish line, knowing that games are won and lost in the fourth quarter, and this is your fourth quarter. You want to finish strong. The fourth quarter is also the time of the year to start planting seeds and making your plans for 2020. Don't wait till January 1st and when you get into January to decide where you want to be at the end of 2020. This is the perfect time to start setting your vision, your goals, your strategic plans for 2020. When we're busy in our day-to-day lives, we don't take the time to do the planning that's really required to set us up for success. I am so excited to be taking a group of heart-centered entrepreneurs to Jasper, Alberta this November, where if you can imagine unplugging from your day-to-day, where you're inside mastermind group to really help you create your goals, set that vision, install the mindset required to live into that vision. We'll be creating strategic plans as well as laying out your 2020 calendar so it feels really good to you both personally and professionally. So if you would love some help setting yourself up for success, this is a small, intimate group. We have a few spots available. If you would love that opportunity to unplug, to connect to your vision, to your goals, and some support in really setting you up for 2020, make sure you check out the information about the retreat. I would love to have you there. It's October. It's the fourth quarter. How are you deciding to end your year? Don't put your foot on the brake. You want to step on the gas and really end this year strong. Here is to your success.